Hello my beautiful butterflies and welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally getting around to doing my little beauty nook makeover in one of the rooms in my family's house, and I've been wanting to do this makeover for so long, so I'm so excited that I finally get to do it. I went to Ikea and got some stuff for the transformation. I also did my good old thrift store shopping because you know I love my thrift store shopping. So what I will be doing is, again, transforming my beauty nook that's in this room here. And I'm going to be taking a bunch of things out of the room and spray painting them. This is such an easy way to revamp furniture without spending more money. I went and popped over to my good old home hardware and they were kind enough to supply the spray paint for the DIY portion of this beauty nook transformation video, so thank you so much home hardware. I will put the information to my local home hardware in my description for you guys to check out. Seriously, they're amazing. They helped me with my last little transformation that I did. I will put the link to that video as well in the description box if you guys would like to see it. They were so helpful. I told them what things I was looking to spray paint, so the materials they were. They answered all of my questions, were super helpful. I told them the look I wanted and they picked out the perfect spray paint for me in this good old little bag here. So they picked out for me the Krylon Chalky Finish Classic White DIY Series Ultra Matte Finish Fast Drying Indoor/outdoor paint. What's very important before you spray paint is just making sure you wipe all the dust off. So this spray paint is a paint and primer, so I'm going to be going in and taking newspaper first and painter's tape. So this lovely stuff here. So what I'm going to be doing basically is going and taping everything. Then I will be taking apart my beauty room, bringing everything that I will be spray painting into the garage, which I will be laying newspaper down. Make sure you are spray painting either outside when it's not windy. It's windy out today, so I know the spray paint is going to get everywhere, so that's why I'm doing it in the garage. And just make sure it's a well ventilated area. We have a side door that I'm going to be opening so that there can be nice airflow in there. So I'm going to be laying newspaper down, and then when I go in with the spray paint, I make sure that I spray it really well for about 1 to 2 minutes before I start spraying. So I'm going to start that, and then I will be also putting together some of the Ikea furniture for the other portion of my beauty room transformation. And yeah, I'm so excited to finally get this transformation going. Thank you guys so much for making all this fun stuff possible for me to do. I love interior decorating stuff, so I'm so excited. And thank you so much home hardware for supplying the spray paint for this video. You guys are the bomb. Make sure you guys go check out your local home hardware. They're so helpful, so awesome, so kind. Their stuff there is amazing. Doesn't break your bank. Highly recommend it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the beauty room transformation. Okay, I wanted to pop on and quickly also apologize for this little situation we got going on here. It's a Sunday, my skin's breaking out, so I'm trying to let it breathe. I always have eye bags for days, so I just apologize for, you know, this little mess we got going on here. I obviously didn't want to look full-on glam for a spray painting, building, kind of breaking a sweat-ish kind of day, so yeah, I apologize for looking like a low-key boy, but I'm so excited to start this transformation. Let's go! All of this stuff in here that I'm either going to be spray painting or that's going towards my little beauty room transformation. That box is just full of things that I kind of cleaned up and decluttered from this space and put in here so I can properly put it away when I do the rest of the transformation. So I will be spray painting that mirror for my new kind of backdrop because I wanted a new backdrop but didn't want to break my bank. Love this mirror, but I didn't want it to be black. My new theme is gonna basically be very white and clean, organic, wood, very earthy, you know, basic, all of that good stuff. So this is gonna be look so nice with the chalk white paint. And then this mirror I'm taking with me when I move out, so I'm gonna be painting that chalk paint as well, so it all matches. And yeah, just these little frames in here as well that I'm taking with me when I move out. I will be spray painting and a couple little other things like this cupboard and stuff. So let's get to taping and let's get to painting and let's get to redoing. I'm so excited! Hello beautiful butterflies. So it is day 2 of this little room kind of redo. I just came home from work. I work in an office full-time for the summers. That's another job that I do, so another reason why I'm MIA a lot. So I apologize for being MIA so much, but I did the 2 coats of spray paint yesterday. So I did 1 coat of spray paint and then waited for about 4 to 5 hours just so that the paint could have time to truly set, and then I went and did a 2nd coat of spray paint. So it's all behind me here. I'm so excited. It looks so good. And last night I built the bookshelf from Ikea and all of that stuff, so now it's just the final preparations of putting everything together. And so I'm going to take you along with me to put the room back together, and then we'll do the final reveal. So much for coming along and watching this little beauty nook transformation that I did. I had so much fun doing it. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again so much, Home Hardware, for supplying the spray paint and for being so helpful in taking what I had pictured in my head and helping me turn it into a reality. I highly recommend you guys go check out your local Home Hardwares if you ever want to do little projects on your homes, because they're so helpful. They're awesome. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your night or morning or afternoon or whatever your time you're watching this video at, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Next, you want to say goodbye?
Sis camera, show them. Camera.